2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a redefinition of luxury travel, merging the prestigious craftsmanship of Rolls-Royce with the adventurous spirit of a mobile lifestyle. Designed for those who refuse to compromise on comfort, elegance, or performance, this motorhome elevates the idea of road tripping into a first-class experience. Every detail of the 2026 model has been meticulously thought out, reflecting a perfect fusion of innovation, timeless design, and unparalleled sophistication. From the outside, the motorhome carries the unmistakable aura of a Rolls-Royce. It retains the brand's signature grille, bold presence, and spirit of ecstasy ornament, but is extended into a sleek, aerodynamic form tailored for long-distance cruising. The use of lightweight carbon composites and precision-engineered aluminum ensures that despite its size, the vehicle remains smooth, stable, and efficient on the road. A refined suspension system, adapted from Rolls-Royce's Phantom line, provides the signature, magic carpet ride feel, even over the roughest terrains. Adaptive air suspension and smart terrain sensors work together to deliver unmatched ride quality, whether on mountain passes or coastal highways. Step inside, and the true essence of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome reveals itself. The interior is a mobile sanctuary, designed with the same attention to detail found in the brand's most exclusive sedans. Real wood veneers, hand-stitched leather, and bespoke crystal accents dominate the cabin. Customization is central to the experience. Buyers can choose from a palette of over 40 leather shades, unique embroidery patterns, and personalized trim options. The seating is inspired by first-class airline suites, with massage functions, heating and cooling, and full recline capabilities. Everything is voice-activated or controlled via touch interfaces embedded in polished walnut consoles. Technology plays a key role in the 2026 model. The infotainment system stretches across a panoramic OLED display, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard and rear lounge. Rolls-Royce has partnered with Bang & Olufsen to develop a tailored surround sound experience, turning the interior into a mobile concert hall. Advanced AI assists the driver by offering route planning based on weather, terrain, and even the passenger's preferred scenic views. For the rear living space, a 5G integrated media hub allows for streaming, remote working, or gaming, whichever luxury the passengers desire. Sleeping arrangements in the motorhome are crafted with the same precision as the rest of the cabin. A queen-sized bed folds down from the rear panel, surrounded by blackout smart glass that adjusts tint with a touch. Ambient lighting, temperature controls, and even scent diffusers are embedded in the walls, allowing for a tailored relaxation environment. The bathroom rivals those in five-star hotel suites, with marble countertops, rainfall showers, and voice-activated lighting and mirrors. A full kitchenette, complete with an induction cooktop, wine chiller, and espresso bar, provides convenience without sacrificing style. Perhaps most impressive is the way Rolls-Royce has blended sustainability into this luxury offering. The 2026 motorhome features a hybrid electric powertrain, capable of delivering over 400 miles of range on a full charge and fuel tank. Solar panels integrated into the roof contribute to the power needs of the onboard electronics and climate systems. All wood used in the construction is FSC certified, and the leather is ethically sourced, maintaining the brand's commitment to eco-conscious luxury. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than a statement of wealth, it is a vision of future travel. It caters to those who seek the freedom of the open road without leaving behind the indulgences of a luxury lifestyle. In a world where travel is increasingly about personalization and experience, Rolls-Royce has set a new benchmark. This is not merely a vehicle, it is an experience, a lifestyle, and above all, a masterpiece in motion.